Just counting down to the market open, about 20 odd seconds left to go before we ring the opening bell for this Friday. A lot of stocks which are going to be reacting to their numbers. We'll start off with Wipro and the big miss on margins that they've seen, the lowest in about 15 quarters. The Q2 guidance has been very soft as well. So we'll track what happens with IT. And then, of course, there is their entire set of stocks that we're keeping on our radar, your Hexaware, Tech Mahindra, HCL Technologies as well, on the other hand. The opening bell then, we've started off absolutely quiet in trade, even quieter for the Nifty Bank, if that's any relative proportion to go by. 24,100 plus levels for the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank absolutely flat. Let's start off with Wipro first and what that is doing, because that's definitely going to skew the entire IT proportion perhaps, though there is Tech Mahindra on the other end, wherein the revenue has risen about 2.6%, Wipro lower by about 1.5%, Tech Mahindra higher by over 2.5% as we speak right now. HCL Technologies, let's check in on that as well. They signed a 7-year deal for an AI-led technology and operations modernization plan. There's Hexaware as well, partnered with Factory. Again, AI agent native software development solutions is what they're going to be offering. 2% higher for HCL Technologies. So today, the weakness in IT really seems to be just Wipro specific. There's Jindal Worldwide as well. They're expecting a 15 to 20% export growth in FY27. There's Neil Kamal, of course, after Mrs. Bector yesterday. Abacus Investment Managers has bought 2.8 lakh shares in this particular counter now. Geo Financial Services, a beat across all parameters. Let's check in on that name too. A solid move, 4.7% higher as we speak, and still counting upwards. Piramal Finance, the profit has jumped about 67%. Disbursements remain very, very strong as well, but you're not seeing much of a material move come in on that stock. Borosil Renewables also came out with its numbers, revenue uptick of over 17%. Ajmera Realty Q1 sales value come in with an uptick of about almost 35%. So these names are the ones which are in focus. Also want to revisit the list from yesterday. ABB, Dixon, Mrs. Bector, what are these names doing? They were the big high flyers yesterday. ABB takes a bit of a pause. Dixon starts off marginally higher. And then, of course, Mrs. Bector, another 6% of an uptick is what that stock is seeing in trade right now. IEX, BHEL, UPL, these were some of the other buzzing names in trade yesterday. Also checking on what the capital market plays are up to, because yesterday they had it a little rough. You had HDFC, AMC, NAM India, Novama. All of these stocks were laggards. Angel One, 2.3% higher as we speak right now, and most of these names are soft. What about ICICI GI after that 10.5% crack after its numbers yesterday? Check in on what that name is up to. And then ICICI Pru Life 2, which fell about almost 3.25% in trade in yesterday's trading session. So these are a bunch of stocks in focus. Reliance, due to report its numbers post-market hours today, and a slew of private banking numbers, 1% up in the green, 1,300 plus levels for Reliance as we go into its earnings. ICICI Bank, HDFC, Axis, Kotak, PNB, all lined up for tomorrow. But